everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Wendy and this is the Baker's Loft. With fall approaching, I thought that this would be the best time to share with you my recipe for baked pumpkin oatmeal cups. These pumpkin oatmeal cups are a healthy breakfast. They come together in about 30 minutes. Give a little time for them to cool out of the oven. And you only need a bowl, no mixer involved. What I like about this is you just kind of dump all your ingredients into the bowl. I'm going to start with 2 eggs. I like to put them in first because I like to use a whisk to get them all mixed up together. From there, I'm going to be adding 1 1/3 cups of milk, and we'll mix that up. I'm also going to be using a 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup. Don't use Aunt Jemima or any imitation maple syrups. You need to use the real deal. And we'll mix that in. Next, I'm going to add in my pumpkin puree. This is pure pumpkin. Make sure you that it is pure pumpkin and it's not the pumpkin that already has spices in it. And now for our oats. You'll notice there's no flour in this. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is pumpkin pie spice I've made on my own. You can buy store-bought, absolutely fine, but I do have a video on how to make your own pumpkin pie spice, and I'll link that in the description below so that you can make your own. And now we're just gonna mix everything together. Okay, that looks good. Now I know I told you that this is a healthy mixture, but I can't help but add a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips to these oatmeal cups. It just makes it so much better. You don't have to do this. I'm gonna spray my muffin tin really, really well. Don't use cupcake liners because this mixture will stick to them. They'll come out much better if you just give your muffin tin a really good spray with non-stick spray. I'm gonna use my large cookie scoop to measure this out, and you want to fill these all the way to the top. Just like that. We're going to bake our oatmeal cups at 350 for about 28 to 30 minutes. See you in a bit. Here we are out of the oven, looking beautiful. If you could smell these, yummy pumpkin and cinnamon, little hint of chocolate in there. Before you take these out of the muffin tin to put on a cooling rack, make sure you leave them in the muffin tin for about 10, maybe 15 minutes to cool off before putting them on the rack. I had to kind of go around the edges a little bit and they came out perfectly, as you can see. I prefer to eat my pumpkin oatmeal cups somewhat warm. You can eat them at room temp or even cold from the refrigerator, however you like, but I like them warmed up. Just put them in the microwave if you like that style for about 10 seconds or so. These pumpkin oatmeal cups are dense. They're not like a muffin. Remember, we didn't use any flour in this. It was mainly oats and milk, egg, so they're not like a muffin consistency, just so you know. If you like a muffin consistency, I'll put a link to my blueberry oatmeal muffins, which are delicious and they're healthy. I'll put that in the description below for you. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.